So we got this really cool foldable wagon here. A brand sent me this to make the video over, so we're checking it out today. This is exactly how it came out of the box. So pretty much no assembly required. I'm going to go see if I can figure out how to put it up on camera here. Imagine this goes this way. Okay, that's spring loaded. So I'm gonna, oh, okay, there we go. Look at there. This comes just like that. That's easy. And this is spring loaded up, and it extends. Go ahead and lock this just like that. There we go. So that extends and it's spring loaded. I'm going to put it back. So this makes it easier to carry. And that's going to go there. This is going to go here. This right here. It's going to get put through here. Same thing over here on this other side. And there we go. So that's how it goes together. This was my first time even trying it. So unfolds super easy. Put this up. So I'm not selling her on the garage sale, but I thought it'd be a funny video to make, pulling her around in it. As you can see, she weighs 500 pounds. No, not really. But if it can hold her in it, let's see how it goes through the grass. We're going to go off-roading with this thing.
Do not do.
Alright, there you go. If we can get through the grass with her in it, whatever you're trying to put in here, I'm sure will be just fine. So, that's this wagon. It's super foldable. It's got some pockets right here, too. Forgot to mention that. This material's super thick. Not a bad wagon. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.